Crypto markets are taking a step in the right direction, and I think right now is a really good opportunity in the market. In this video, I'm going to be explaining some of the latest news regarding the project KASPA, and I'm also going to be going over the entire situation of the market right now. So make sure you guys watch this entire video. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into it. Guys, if you want to make some massive money while trading crypto, make sure you guys sign up for my trading signal group as soon as possible. The link to it will be down in the description. Once you join my group, you guys are going to be getting instant access to my trade signal group, in which you can see all of my buy and sell alerts. You can get access to technical analysis, various business opportunities, my personal portfolio, and there's also a chat option where you can chat with like-minded people who are seriously invested into the crypto markets and making some huge money from this space as well. Anyways, now let's jump back to KASPA and let me show you what the charts are showing. So basically guys, for the past month or so, we have been seeing that KASPA is trending towards the downside, and it has been going sideways for the longest time. Now these kinds of movements are really good, because if you remember that the last time when KASPA pumped, we pumped up by almost, if we calculate from right over here, you can see it pumped up by almost 270%, or about 356% at its absolute top. Ever since then guys, we have been seeing a major fallback towards the downside, and right now we are forming some really good support and resistance areas among this trading range right over here. As you can see, we go towards the upside, but then we come down towards the downside to find the support level. We then again to go towards the upside, and right now we are running into an important resistance level at this Fibonacci retracement level right over here, which is at a price of about 0.137. Now I believe guys, once KASPA is able to break above this mark, the another important resistance level to break for KASPA to break is going to be towards this level right over here at a price of about 0.157. And once KASPA breaks above there, I mean that is going to be indicating a lot of strength for the project, which I think is going to be coming really soon. Now, major reason why I say that a major move for KASPA is going to be coming, and it is closer than forever right now, is because a lot of projects right now are gaining momentum and rising towards the upside, similar to what KASPA has been doing for the past week or so as well. Now the major movement behind all of these coins is because of Ethereum. Now, if you guys don't know already, but Ethereum just today is up by nearly about 20%, which is really good news for all the cryptocurrency investors out there. We already know what basically happens in the crypto markets. First of all, we see the rise of Bitcoin, which it has already shown. We saw Bitcoin all the way from like $30,000 to $40,000, all the way getting to about 69 to about $70,000, and getting to its previous all-time highs. Even today, Bitcoin just got in and got a price of about $70,000, which is really good and bullish news. Now guys, I believe that once the Bitcoin rally is over, the Bitcoin takes a sidestep and then the rally for Ethereum follows. Right now, I think the trend has shifted from the bullish Bitcoin rally to a bullish Ethereum rally. We're going to be seeing Ethereum rally in the upcoming days and getting a rally of about 20 to 30% or even more than that. I think that the price of Ethereum is going to be touching upwards of about $5,000 in the upcoming days, and that is something which I personally believe is likely going to be happening. Now, as soon as the Ethereum rally is over, then the money is going to be flowing into the altcoins such as KASPA, such as Gala Games, Solana, and all the other altcoin gems out there. And then we are going to be seeing the metabolic and the parabolic rise of all of these altcoin gems. Now, in terms of project KASPA, we can say that KASPA has just hit another all-time high hash rate at a hash rate of about 275.89, which is really good. Now, the new ASIC miners have also seemed to arrive, so a lot more people are going to be investing into the KASPA ecosystem, which is really good, and something which a lot of people are hoping for as well. Now guys, if we take a look at a broader perspective, you can see that Bitcoin is already up by about 60% this year. Now I know for all of you investors out there who are expecting Bitcoin to do about 5 to 10x, I personally think that if we look at from a broader perspective, 60% in 1 year is also not really bad at all. I mean, if you look at all the S&P 500, the stocks, whether that might be gold, silver as well, you're going to be see that none of those investments out there are giving you returns of about 60%, which is really, really good. Now, if we talk about some of the altcoins, then the list goes on and on. Now guys, another thing which I want to confirm is that Grayscale Spot Bitcoin ETF had about 9.4 million inflows today. So more and more people are getting interested in Bitcoin, and it's another positive day for the Grayscale Bitcoin ETF, which is really, really good. A lot of the traditional investors are also right now getting into Bitcoin, which is something which we obviously want, because the more people are going to be interested and buying a Bitcoin, the more people are going to be buying the altcoins in the longer scale as well. Now guys, another news which has just come in is that US Congressman Emmer says House Republicans will pass his anti-CBDC bill this week. He says the idea of a central bank digital currency is more than alarming. It is downright un-American. I mean, I'm not really sure what to say on this, because right now, whatever the politician says, we should not really take them into any sort of perspective until things have happened, because anything can go bad in the last moment or any things like that. I guess another thing and why Bitcoin ETF is looking really, really good is that right now an issuer has made an announcement that the spot Ethereum ETF is in development, and things are evolving in real time, and this is very, really good news for all the Ethereum investors out there and also the altcoin investors out there. So basically, a 200% odd increase from the Bloomberg on the SEC government approving a spot Ethereum ETF, which is going to be really, really interesting. Now, we saw what happened with Bitcoin, because once the ETFs got approved, we saw a massive increase in the price of Bitcoin because a lot of money was flowing into the project. Same thing if it happens with Ethereum is going to be really good, because Ethereum is a platform on which a lot of altcoins are built upon, and KASPA is also one of the project which is not entirely built on Ethereum, but it is pretty similar to Ethereum. So once people get into Ethereum ETF, they are also going to be looking at some of the options which are going to be compared with alongside with Ethereum, which is really good news. Now guys, update from Eric Balcones, who is the senior ETF analyst for Bloomberg, and he says that he and Jeff are increasing our odds of spot Ethereum ETF approval to 75%, up from 25%. Previously, they had said that the Ethereum ETF approval rate is only about 25% in terms of yes, but right now they have turned it from 25% to 75%. Now, the major reason behind that is because they have been hearing chatters this afternoon that SEC could be doing a complete 180 on this because of the increasing political issue. So now everyone's scrambling like us, everything they would be denied. Seeing Nate's tweet below for probably order of events, but again we are capping at 75% until we see more updates, for example the filing updates. The coming days for Ethereum as well as for the entire crypto markets are going to be really, really crucial, because if Ethereum ETF get approved as well, that is going to be a step in the right direction. We have already taken the first step by listing and getting the Bitcoin ETF approved, and right now the last step is for Ethereum, and after that maybe even some altcoins as well. Now, spot Bitcoin Ethereum odds have been increased from 75% from 25% according to Bloomberg ETF analysis, and this is looking really, really good and something which not a lot of investors are looking at. Right now, people might be worrying that the projects have been going sideways. We haven't really been seeing those big sort of momentums, but in due time guys, we are going to be seeing some massive movements, and also in the price for KASPA, because the project has been doing really well. It has been focusing on the basics, it has been building up community, it has been making tweaks to its project. The project is making better and better hash rates and generating better and better hash rates, which is really, really good, and they are taking all the steps in the right direction. Right now it is also safe from any kind of hacks. None kind of the team members are not fighting, they're not selling off. The fair launch was there and everything is looking perfectly fine for KASPA. Overall, I'm truly bullish on KASPA, and I believe that if KASPA is able to break towards this mark right over here at a price of about 0.156, I expect a rally for KASPA towards the upside towards these levels right over here at a price of about 0.24. After that, I do expect some consolidation to come into phase, and this level right over here, which was the previous and the recent all-time high, to play as an important support level for KASPA. Until then, this is the most important resistance level which we need to break, so make sure you guys are on the lookout for that as well. And yeah guys, that's gonna be pretty much it from this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure you guys drop a like on this video, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and as always, I'll catch you all tomorrow with another one. Peace out.